Hi guys, today we talk about Honor Magic 6. It's launched on January 2024. The Honor Magic 6 dimensions height 6.37 inch, width 2.97 inch, thickness 8.1 mm. The weight is 199 gram and the build front and back glass are eco leather back and aluminium frame. The display of Honor Magic 6, it comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution of Honor Magic 6 is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz and 5000 nits peak of brightness. And the protection is Jorhino glass. The platform of Honor Magic 6 is Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4. The GPU of Honor Magic 6 is Adreno 750. The memory of Honor Magic 6 is 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Honor Magic 6. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and it records 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it records 4K 60 fps video record. The battery of Honor Magic 6 is 5450 LiPo and the charging is 66 watt fast and it supports 50 watt wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. The common and the feature is Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint and a display, NFC, UFS 4.0, IP68, water and dust resistant, and it supports infrared port. The price of Honor Magic 6 is $799.